The 8Bitdo Retro Mechanical Keyboard is a fantastic blend of modern mechanical keyboard technology with nostalgic design elements that appeal to gamers with a love for classic consoles. Inspired by the iconic Nintendo NES, this keyboard stands out with its retro styling, making it an eye-catching accessory for any gaming setup. Its mechanical switches provide a satisfying typing experience with a tactile feel that many gamers will appreciate, enhancing both gaming and typing performance. One of the standout features of the 8Bitdo Retro Mechanical Keyboard is its flexibility with both wired and wireless connectivity options. The dedicated knobs for toggling between these modes offer a seamless transition, ensuring that users can easily switch between gaming on a PC or connecting to other devices without hassle. The ability to use the keyboard wirelessly adds convenience for those who prefer a cleaner, more cable-free desk setup. In addition to its excellent performance, the keyboard comes with two oversized, customizable buttons that add a unique flair to its design. These buttons are a great touch for those who want to further personalize their setup, but they also serve a practical purpose. Using the accompanying desktop software, users can assign shortcuts to these buttons, improving workflow efficiency and saving time during gaming or work-related tasks. On the downside, while the keyboard's retro design is undeniably charming, it may not appeal to everyone. Some users might find the styling too niche or feel that the aesthetic is less suited to more modern or minimalistic setups. Another potential drawback is its price. Although currently discounted to $85, it's still on the pricier side for a mechanical keyboard, especially when compared to other options in the market. Overall, the 8Bitdo Retro Mechanical Keyboard excels in both form and function. Its high-quality mechanical switches, flexibility with connectivity, and the added personalization options make it a standout choice for nostalgic gamers and those looking to bring a bit of retro flair to their workspace.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.